Hello guys, today Amir and Imran they have these toys, so they wanna make this one. Look at this long way, so the car can go here and here, and it can come back from this way and this way. So we have this car. Let's see what's inside. So we open it, and the inside we have this red color, so we should make it, and this blue, and this blue, and this one is the orange. Oh, look, it's orange. And this is orange. And this one is red. And we have green and green. And also we have this dark blue. And then we have this one, the cover for the car. Look. It's so beautiful. And it's so colorful. And we have this car. Wow. Look at the car. It's orange. Let's fix it.
What's the car? Hola, ¿cómo estás? En sí, ¿por dónde tenés? Look at this, there's ton of Go! It's gonna go in there. Oh no, it's working.
Oh no!
It's a bigger car. No, this is not car.
Imran.
Wow! The bottom all. 1 minute. Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh no! Uh-oh.
Wow, look at the car. Amir have a colorful car today.
No, Mama.
Wow, look at the road. It should start from here.
Go.
Yes.
Go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Everything go.
Oh no, it's so fast.
Yeah. Let's go bigger.